So I'm here at the recording studio. We were recording Shanis's music, and I bumped into an old friend, Roshni. By the way, she's Dilir Mehendi's niece, and she just recorded her music.
Yeah.
And she's about to release a video. The music is just fab. I wish her all the very best.
Thank you.
You're gonna rock.
Thank you.
So I'm here in Thane Sports Club, and out of all the days today, it had to rain. Hello Nishan. आज कैसे बुलाया मुझे? I understand.
आज हम स्विमिंग करने वाले हैं।
अरे पानी गिर रहा है. Okay, I won't lie. I don't know how to swim. I mean, I know how to swim, but I'm not a good swimmer. But this is very tempting. I think after a very long time, I'm gonna have coffee. दूध वाली coffee. Without sugar. जोश जोश में होश खो दिया. अभी राइड चालू होने वाली है. हाईवे की चाशनी वाली कॉफ़ी पीनी पड़ेगी. फॉर दोज हू डोंट नो व्हाट इज चाशनी. चाशनी इज लाइक अ शुगर सिरप. तो हाईवे की जो पूरी कॉफ़ीज़ होती हैं, इट्स लाइक शुगर सिरप कॉफ़ी. बादल तो दिखने रहे, बारिश कहाँ से गिर रही है? I really feel like playing badminton, but then अभी पसीना पसीना हो जाऊंगा. Then I have to do a lot of work also. Let's see. Change of mind. I'm playing. This is like really fun after a very long time I'm playing and I'm doing good. I'm doing a good job while vlogging and playing. I won Nishan. Well tried. Nishan, how did I play?
Very well for a change.
Oh yeah, we all are sweating.
Yeah,
Nishan is
cheater.
Oh cheater. 2-on-1 खेल रहा था बॉस. निशान है शायद अगेंस्ट मी.
तो बाद में ना, उससे पहले क्या कर रहे थे?
उससे
चीटर को सबक सिखाना
उसके
था.
पहले भी मैं जीता. हेलो. अभी स्क्वाश खेलते. स्क्वाश.
तुम लोग के सामने बोल रहा है जीत गया.
ओके, थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है. एंड दे ऑल आर लाफिंग एट मी, बट स्टिल आई ट्राई. So the ball went outside. Thank you. फट गई. I'm sweating. It was very tough to play while wearing the jeans on. You need to wear
Yeah,
shorts.
you played so.
मेरा कमर दुख रही है. मेरी कमर दुख रही है. I will not
cheat
lie.
करने के बाद तेरी.
इसमें चीट क्या करेगा कोई? इसमें कोई चीट क्या करेगा? I almost last shot went over there.
Yeah, which is wrong.
Can you see that hole? मेरे वैसे हुआ. Okay, just joking. Almost बॉल बाहर चली गई थी, लेकिन मेरा हाथ काँप रहा है. So I did manage to fly the drone, but then thing with flying the drone near anywhere where there are kind of iron rods is that it plays around with the magnets of the drone. It's gonna say compass error because it plays around with the compass of the drone. So we'll keep it on the floor or fly it anywhere near to this kind of iron rods. It's gonna lose its GPS connection. So just be very careful with that. And a lot of people are swimming, so I didn't want to take the risk of flying very close to swimming pool. I hope you enjoyed that shot. निशान बुलाए और अच्छा खाना ना खिलाए, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. So you are in this restaurant called मसालेदार.
मसालेदार का अमेरिकन.
Okay, so the food was amazing. दबा के खाया. And as promised, निशान कुछ ना कुछ तो एंड में करता है. और निशान ने इस बार क्या है निशान ये?
जामुन चीज केक.
Because I crossed 100K on Facebook. निशान का एक्सक्यूज है. अभी नेक्स्ट एक्सक्यूज क्या रहेगा?
बताता हूँ.
अभी मैं काटता हूँ, थोड़ा खाता हूँ. मैंने बहुत खा लिया है और नहीं खाऊंगा, और तुम लोगों को खाना है तो खा लो. ओहो, फॉग हो गया, फॉग हो गया, फिर फॉग हो गया. ओके, सो आई मेट माई सब्सक्राइबर. नाम क्या है?
सिद्धेश, सनत, विकी.
सिद्धेश, सनत एंड विकी.
यस.
एक मिनट, फॉग हो गया. सो दे आर द फ्यूचर डिटेक्टिव्स ऑफ अ कंट्री.
आपका 6 मिनट हुआ था व्लॉग ये डाल के, स्टोरी डाल के.
स्टोरी से इन लोग को मालूम पड़ा मैं किधर हूँ. एनीवेज,
और मैं इधर ही 5 मिनट में ही घर है, इसलिए
अच्छा.
मैं आया, फिर इसको फ़ोन किया.
बाय द वे आई एम इन थाने, ऑफ कोर्स,
Yes.
थाने स्पोर्ट्स क्लब. आई विल जस्ट टॉक टू देम, थोड़ा सेल्फी लेके आई लीव बिकॉज़ ऑलरेडी लेट हो गया ना. घर पे मिलते हैं. Well, few days back I uploaded a picture with 4 of my panniers and people are like, why do you have 4 panniers? Well, these are my old panniers which I used with the white Tiger XR, and these are my new panniers which came with the bike. Well, not really new. Danny used it. You can clearly see with the Hoy sticker, Harley Davidson by the way, and it also came with the top box, you guys know, and the tank bag. There was a lot of questions regarding the tank bag. Well, this is SW Motec tank bag. I don't know which model, but this is very nice. You just atak jata hai and there's a strap, you just pull it and it comes out. Very handy dandy. Now most of you are already aware that when I travel with a lot of things. Beside my riding gears and my camera accessories, I also carry first aid kit and my laptop. I'm gonna sweat a little because it's very hot. The fan is off because if I'll switch on the fan, then the bum 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 avaz will come. Now all this while I used to carry Asus ROG laptop, which is like 15.5-inch laptop, and it's very heavy because it's a gaming laptop. Now if you're a rider, you understand it's a pain for any rider to carry a laptop. That is the reason when I used to ride a Duke 390, I never used to carry a laptop. And since I've started riding Tiger, it's kind of easy for me to carry a laptop. And the only reason I carry a laptop because I can transfer all my videos on the go, and also I can edit on the go. Because I love making vlogs as soon as possible and you guys wait for my vlogs. So yeah. Now I really want to talk about this laptop, not because Asus has given me this laptop for free, because I'm an influencer. They have not paid me to make a video about this. The reason I want to talk about this laptop is because this laptop is really very good. I've been receiving so many DMs, mails and messages regarding this laptop, which was like really surprising for me. मैंने कुछ खास videos नहीं बनाया, इसका सिर्फ unbox किया और 2-3 बार बात किया. So the one I have is a 16GB variant. It's like a 4GB variant and an 8GB variant and the 16GB variant also. This is a i7, you have i3 and i5 also. Now this is really handy for any one of you who's watching. सिर्फ एक जन के लिए लैपटॉप ठीक नहीं है, वो है gamers. If you're a gamer, you probably will not enjoy playing games on a 11-inch laptop. It has a dedicated graphic card, but then you will not really enjoy playing games on this. There's one more version, I think a deluxe version, which has a graphic card. Don't quote me on that, that's what I've heard from Asus people. It has a graphic card and gamers can play games on it, but however, I will not recommend you playing game on this reflective screen. ROG wala tha, wo pura matte finish tha, and matte finish is perfect for playing games. Perfect if you're a traveler, student, businessman, YouTuber. Oh, YouTuber is the perfect day, boss. A lot of people say that it's a MacBook killer. Well, I don't know about MacBook killer, but this is really very good. Fingerprints are very easy to get on this laptop. Now just don't go and buy this laptop because I am recommending you this. I'm not a reviewer. There's a lot of reviews about this laptop out there, so please go and watch a review about this laptop before buying it. I would like to highlight few bad things which I have noticed. According to me, it's a bad thing. It has only 2 ports. This is for the headphone jack and the other one is like a type C ports, and it comes with this adapter. What this adapter does is that you have a HDMI port, the charging port, and again USB port. Basically you can say that Asus played the MacBook way. Now I know I'm not really uploading a lot of vlogs, and also my vlogs duration has been really short. There's a reason to that, because I want to finish all my work before I start my ride. And also guys, this time 99% I'm gonna be doing daily vlogs while I ride. Now I know most of you will say that Nikhil don't do it, quality खराब हो जाएगी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. If you guys notice, recently मैं बहुत experiment कर रहा हूँ अपने vlogs के साथ और मेरे vlogs काफ़ी different है. If you are my regular viewer, you'll understand कि निखिल के vlogs थोड़े अलग हो रहे हैं. I was practicing to shoot last moment and to edit last moment कि मैं अपने आप को उस pressure में डाल रहा था और उस situation में डाल रहा था कि मैं properly shoot कर सकूँ और वो quality के level का edit कर सकूँ. And I think I am ready for that. So this time daily vlogs will come, might come, will come. And also I just want to show you my helmet कि मैंने किस तरह इसको waterproof किया. So it'll be good for all the motor vloggers. If you can see that मैंने इसको प्लास्टिक से पूरा कवर कर दिया है. And can you see that मैंने rubber band डाल दिया so the water will not go through and the mics are inside. Obviously पानी इसके अंदर से जाएगा नहीं. So for all you motor vloggers, you can cover your helmet like this and it'll be completely waterproof even with the mic setup. ये helmet change करने का time आ गया. बहुत heavy helmet है बॉस. Now before I end this vlog, I want to ask you one question. Can you guess where I am riding this time? Please comment down below if you can guess where I am riding. And if you have watched this video till now, don't forget to give this video a like. एक second. मैं एक चीज बताना भूल गया. This thing was sent to me by one of my subscriber. उसका नाम क्या है? किरण. Okay, this has been sent to me by Kiran. Basically, this is a bike cover जो कि मैं अगले वीडियो में बताने वाला हूँ. So Kiran, if you are watching, I'm really sorry. मुझे बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं मिला इसको यूज़ करने का. So I'm definitely gonna use it very soon. ये टाइगर पे तो I don't think आएगा नहीं. Okay, so what you do? You mount this over any of your bike guards, and then you can just pull this out and the bike cover will come out. So this is basically very useful if you're going to Ladakh on a KTM or any smaller bike. टाइगर पे इसका कोई यूज़ नहीं है. एंड आप लोगों की उंगलियों का काफ़ी वर्कआउट होने वाला है अगर आप ये लोगे तो. आई डोंट नो कितना यूज़फुल है ये, बट इट लुक्स वेरी यूज़फुल. एंड एक प्रॉब्लम है कि ये ऐसा बाहर इतना बड़ा चीज़ लटका रहेगा. एनीवेज गाइज, ये मैं टेस्ट करूंगा एंड आई विल लेट यू नो अबाउट दिस. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो गाइज. एज ऑलवेज, शुक्रान, अलविदा, मासलामा, टेक केयर एंड डू वट एवर यू वांट माय लवली फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. हैव अ लवली डे. बाय बाय. आई जस्ट गॉट अ कमेंट दैट माय आईज लुक लाइक दिस. Is our eyes similar?
Yes.
Please comment down below कि हमारी eyes same है कि नहीं. कुछ भी.